Welcome. If you're looking to declutter your inbox and stop receiving those candidate recommendation emails from LinkedIn, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable email notifications for candidate recommendations on LinkedIn using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. Log in with your account details if you haven't already. At the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage, you'll see your profile picture or the word Me. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. You'll be taken to your account settings page. On the left side, you'll see several options. Click on Notifications. Now, you'll see a list of categories for different types of notifications LinkedIn sends. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Hiring Someone. Click to expand it. Under Hiring Someone, look for Job Posts. Click on this option to see more detailed notification settings. Next, locate candidate recommendations. This is where LinkedIn sends you suggestions about potential candidates for your job postings. To disable email notifications, simply find the toggle or checkbox next to email and switch it off. Once you've done this, you won't receive any more candidate recommendation emails in your inbox. That's it. Your changes are saved automatically, and your inbox should be much quieter from now on. If you ever want to re-enable these notifications, just follow the same steps and switch the email notifications back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from a cleaner inbox. Have a productive day.